So today we're going to see if we can get this thing running. So this is a push mower I found from the dump. I got it running, then I spray painted it black. I don't really know why, but I wanted to. So yeah, this thing's, runs pretty good. Sometimes I'll have to dump some fuel down the carburetor, just have to pop that off, but I don't think I'll have to. But like when I got this thing, it was gray and like rusty, and the front wheels were all like bent in and stuff, but I bent them back out, so now they're pretty straight. I mean, they're still a little loose and cockeyed, but now they're a lot straighter. And this handle, this isn't off the same push bar, but it wasn't originally on this one. Neither was this top part. You can tell because of this. But this piece was like way up here, so it's stuck way out. But I drilled new holes and put it in there, then took this and put the cable through there. And then now it's like perfectly lined up. It looks a lot better. I'm thinking of selling this push bar, but I'm not exactly positive. But we're gonna see if we can get it to run. I'm pretty sure we'll get it to run, because I did try to get this thing running earlier in the year, and it started up, and it's pretty warm out right now, so we're gonna try it out and see if it'll start. Okay, so I think it needs a little gas. Like not in the carburetor, just in general. I'm pretty sure it's pretty low. So we'll try this and we'll see what happens. This fuel tank is pretty small. So yeah, we gotta fill it up. Okay, so, if you're wondering, you should not do what I was doing. So yeah, you should never do what I was just doing, holding the handle back and putting my foot right there. Well, I mean, I put my foot behind the wheel, had this held back, reached up there and pushed the throttle to find the good throttle speed. You really shouldn't do that, but it's a lot easier. Just a piece of grass stuck on there. So yeah, all I needed was some gas because there wasn't enough gas. There was not very much gas in there, so there wasn't even enough to the point where it would touch the button. So there wasn't even enough gas in there to be able to push that button and get something to come into the carburetor. So this tank's kind of weird like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna start it up again and let it run for a little while and see what happens, and then we'll go from there. It's nice and warmed up now, so it's running better. The throttle's up right now. It's running a lot better, and yeah, so I just want to get it out and do a little run with it, and after it warms up, it runs a lot better. But so yeah, it's running pretty good. Now I just gotta put this back in the shed because I just wanted to get it out and give it a little run so it'll get a little warm up before the spring weather when it's gonna be running a lot more in the summertime. Here we go, guys. Put back in the shed, obviously. Yeah, it looks a lot better. No, it looks a lot better. It sounds pretty good right now. As of right now, it sounds good. So I'm thinking it'll be running pretty good for the summer. I don't know, I still can't decide if I'm gonna run that one or this one. This one's doesn't, I don't know. I don't know which one runs better. This one's not that bad running wise, but that one's pretty good too. So yeah, I don't know. I'll have to decide which one is. I'll have to run them both and see which one's running better, and then we'll. Is still sitting in here. I'm planning on doing a part 2 to this, and maybe some more parts. But you can see this oh god, right there you can see the pull cord still off. Oh, whoops, sorry. See the pull cord still off. It's right over there. But yeah, this thing's not. It's pretty decent. If you didn't see this video, you can go on my channel. It's called Working on the Snowblower Part 1. Yeah. This thing's pretty decent. When it's running, it's a nice snowblower. It doesn't throw snow that well anymore because it's old, but sorry. We're planning on getting a new engine for it and put a new engine on it. So I just want to tinker with this engine and see what I can do with it, see if I can get it running or not. The engine has ran for, this thing's like 20 years old or something. It's got tracks on it, which is really nice. So that's why we want to keep it and put a new engine on it so it'll run good and throw good snow really far. And yeah, it's a little beast in the snow because it's got tracks. This is gonna be the end of today's video. So after I shot that last clip of the snowblower, we had to go drop off my dad's not my dad's truck. Then after we did that, I just came home and had some dinner. Yeah, so didn't really do much after that, so I'm just getting ready to edit the video for today. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Make sure if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.